Okay, I already hit record. I'm doing good. I'm going to teach it as if you've never seen it before. So I apologize to you if you just already know how to do factoring, but my experience throughout the day in my other 3 geometry classes is that some people felt like they had never seen it before, and some people felt like they had seen it, but they totally didn't remember how. So we're going to start here with our quadratic expression, 5x plus 6x squared plus 5x plus 6. And we are going to call the first term A, and we'll call the second term B, and we'll call the third term C. And what you really need to do here is to find out what A times B equals, and then put B in the bottom, or sorry, it should be A times C. A times C, and then B goes in the bottom. So we're multiplying x squared times 6, and we have 6x squared, and then we put 5x in the bottom. And we need to determine what factor pair, what are factors? Yeah, Jason?
Things that multiply together to create something.
Okay, so the 2 pieces that are being multiplied, right? So the 2 factors of 6 that are going to add up to 5. Any guesses? 3 and 2. So I would put 3x here and 2x here, and I have this figured out. Okay. So I'm going to teach you a strategy using a box because it's nice organization. You do not have to use this, but I'm going to help you see what's happening here. So in your box, we will always put A in here and C in here. And then in here, you're going to put your factor pair 1 and your factor 2 of your factor pair. Okay, so let's look at that in this problem here. Okay, so x squared goes in the first one and 6 goes in the last one. These numbers go in here. Then we get to just pull out the GCF. From each column, and row. So this way, greatest common factor is x. This way, the greatest common factor is 3. Going this way, my greatest common factor is x. And going this way, my greatest common factor is 2. Okay, so then we can write that as x plus 2 and x plus 3. Does it matter if I write x plus 3 and then x plus 2? Why not? Right. Just like those parentheses mean multiplying, right? So just like I could say 2 times 3 and then 3 times 2, and it doesn't matter which order I put them in. So it's the same thing with these parentheses. So I could put them in the other order if I wanted to. Now, when your A value is 1, which is what is happening right here, right? There's an A value of 1. We probably don't need to draw out a box to get to this point, right? Because how many of you could just see that I found the factors of 6 and they added to 5, and I could have literally just gone from x squared plus 5x plus 6, and I would have known x, and then 2 and 3, and they're both positive because they add up to 6. If you see that and it makes sense to you, use that shortcut. This shortcut only works when your A value is 1. Okay, to find the multiple or the factors of the third one that add to the middle one. Okay. I totally taught this. We did like a whole worksheet of just those X problems to get started. Yeah. Yeah, we did it, I promise. But there's a reason we're reviewing it. Because almost all of you are going, sort of almost remember something about this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and give you another example. Excuse me. Let's look at what happens when I have x squared minus 11x plus 18. I personally, rather than writing out a diamond to do that, which the diamond thing is the most popular, sometimes I prefer to just say, I need something that multiplies to 18x squared, but adds to a negative 11. And I like to do this because then I can go ahead and I can list my factors of 18. And then I can try and figure out how that's going to work to equal a positive 18, but add up to a negative 11. If I'm multiplying to get a positive and adding to get negative, what do I need to do here? I'm hearing a lot of, but I have no idea what y'all are saying. Yes. A double negative will make it positive, right? So let's make anything there negative. Which pair is going to add up to negative 11? This part right here equals negative 11. So I can look at that really nicely. Okay. Just so you can see where it would plug into the box if you wanted to do this, your x squared and your 18 would go there. And here would be a negative 2x and a negative 9x. Okay, if you were plugging it in to do that. Because our a value is 1, we can actually just put the negative 2 and the negative 9 into the factory. Good? Okay. Let's see how good you are. Here are 4 triads. A is x squared plus 13x plus 36. B is x squared plus 11x plus 28. C is going to be x squared minus 8x plus 15. And D is going to be x squared minus 6x minus 16. If you need help, I'm happy to walk around and help. But you should do these triads on your own. Anybody need help? So if you just list 6 to 18, which pair is going to work? So nobody needs any help with who we can randomly call on any of these, right? Huh? So we need one of the factors to be negative and one of them to be positive, right? Because you got it, and probably the bigger ones should be negative. Right? Okay, what's my first one? Any volunteers? Huh? Well, I just literally gave you the answer. if you're
13.
looking. The answer is not 13. What goes in those parentheses? Okay, x plus 4 and x plus 9. Okay, what goes into B? You got this one, Ty? Go ahead.
X plus 7, X plus 4.
Okay. C, you get a little bit trickier.
X minus 5 and X minus 3.
Okay, if the last term is positive and the middle one is negative, they're both going to need to be negative. Because we needed to multiply to equal the negative, and we had to add to, or multiply to equal positive and add to equal negative. Okay, down here, only one of them will be negative. Who's got me an answer for this one? Jason.
That's plus 2, X minus 8.
Okay, 2 times 8 is 16, and 2 and negative 8 adds up to negative 6. On a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being I totally got this, 4 being more like I think I got it, but I probably need some practice, and 1 is like, huh, I wasn't listening. Where are you? Okay. If you're around a 3 or better, we're doing good right now. If you are struggling, please ask for help.